Hey friends, Google just came out with a very significant update for your business and how you show up not only on Google like this, but also on ChatGPT and other AI results. So what you need to first do is you need to go to Google Search Console, and it's going to look just like this. Make sure you hit start now and log in with your Google account. Hopefully you have this. If you don't, respond back to my email and let us know if you need help setting it up. Now, as soon as you get into the Search Console, you can change your username in the top right to find the proper one and or click on your property in the top left. But you're going to see that logo there showing the social media posts and how they're recommending that you get it set up. So once you're connected, you're going to click here and you're going to click add property. Now, what we're going to do is first, when you look at Google, this is what Google Search Console makes your website look like. Gives you the title, the name, but then it also recommends other pages. Google Search Console is what tells Google that these are all the pages that you currently have on your site. If you look here by our sitemap as an example, it knows we have 263 pages in this one site. So it knows to actually start sending traffic and ranking to those pages. Now, up until now, they only scanned your website, but now what they're going to do is scan your social media profiles here. They're going to take the transcriptions and all of the posts, which is why it's important for you to get these connected so it starts ranking you by your social signals. Now, if you take a look at my YouTube page, I'll add the link down below, but you can see that I made this post 4 months ago about why social signals are important to get your website and your brand ranked on ChatGPT, Claude, and other AI services. Now, what they're doing is they're pulling from not only your website, but your social media channels here. So what you're going to do is you're going to click add, and it's going to prompt you to connect that channel. I'm going to go ahead and click that and hit add property. So it's easier than ever to get these connected. Just make sure you're logged in, you have your Google Search Console, and you go connect them. Once it's connected, you can actually go to that property and you can start seeing the rankings and the information that's coming in. So we just connected our business account on X here, and you can see that we already have one click, but over time, this will start building up. You'll be able to see the content that's trending, what people are clicking on, and exactly the information that is interesting and the exact information that's starting to show up in AI search results. Now, based on this information, now we know that AI results are showing your YouTube page, your X, your Instagram, your TikTok. So it's more important than ever to post consistently, post helpful education, just like we're doing here on my YouTube channel, so that more people find you on the AI results. If you need help setting this up, make sure you let us know. Hopefully this video was valuable, and I will talk to you on the next one.